Hello everyone, my name is Omar Dib and I'm doing the assignment on the ancient counting numbers and how civilization used to count. So basically I chose the Maya civilization to do this assignment on, and they had a really unique way of representing numbers. It's something we never seen before, and this is my first time knowing about it. So their period was, so they had a classic period, a post-classic, and a pre-classic period. So their pre-classic period was from 2000 BCE to 250 CE. Their classic period was from 250 CE to 950 CE, and then their post-classic period was from 950 CE to 1539 CE. The way they represented number, they only used three symbol, which is very unique, I would say. Unlike us, where each number has its own way, its own its own style, and how you write it, how you represent it. They were really different. So they're counting their like they were based on 20s, unlike us, where our numbers are based on 10. Our numbers are based on 10. So right now I'll show you the symbols they used to use to represent the numbers. I'll show you I'll write the example right now. Okay, so basically they used kind of a seashell, I would say. That's how I saw it, and they only used like a dot to represent the number 1, and just a horizontal bar to represent the number 5. So as you can see right here is the seashell, which is 0. This is a dot, which is equal to 1, and just a bar for 5. Okay, so how they used to write the numbers, I'll give just a few examples, because it's really a lot of basically I want to say, when I first learned about it, it's like really hard to understand it. It's basically, if I was right now in kindergarten learning about the numbers, it was like a new thing to me. It's really hard for me, but I just try to understand the basic so I can share it with you guys. Okay, so I'm going to write like different numbers right here, and just write how they used to write it, and I will explain how. So I want to start with the number 3. I want to do number 7 and number 16. Let's start with that. Okay, so as we said, they used a dot to represent 1, a bar to represent 5. So if they want to write the number 3, they can't use the bar because it's a 5. So they will write 1 1 1, which is just 3 dots next to each other. Okay, for the number 7, it's a 5 and a 2, so they will use the bar and then 2 dots on top of it. Okay, for the number 16, so 5, so a bar is a 5, so they will use 3 bars and a dot on top of each other, like so. Okay, let me show you. So a 3 is just 3 dots, 7 is a 5 and a 2, which is each dot is a 1, so 5 6 7. 16 is 3 bars, which is 5 10 15, and a dot, which is 16. So it's like, I would say it's really unique. It's very 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 unique, the way I see it. And when the number goes higher, there's a different way of representing the number, which is they put like a bar and a dot close to each other, and then one way up, so to give like quantities, like to represent like hundreds, I would say. Right now I will show you the way, just more examples, I would say. Yeah, let's do as I said, let's do the number, let's do 11, let's do 19, and let's do let's do a 6. Or we did 6, no, let's do a 6. Okay, so 11 is basically just 5 and 5 and 1, which is 11, so 2 bars and a dot. 19, which is 3 bars and 4 dots, which is 3 bars is a 15, and then 4 dots for 4 on top of it, that's a 19. 6 is pretty easy, just a bar, which is a 5, and a dot on top of it. Just like 11 is 2 bars, which is 10, and a dot, which is 11. 19 is 3 bars, which is 15, and 4 dots, which is 4. 15 plus 4, that's 19. And then 6 is just a bar, 5 and a dot, 6. Yeah, and that's basically it. This is how they used to count. It's really unique. I would say I used to live in Egypt, and we used to learn about how they, or the Egyptian before used to used to write and use numbers. So they also, for words and letters, they used like a bird symbols, a cat, a bow, something. So it's really unique. They understand that, and that's basically it. And thank you for watching.